Ever wondered what it would be like to step back in time and walk the very ground where Napoleon met his final defeat? The Waterloo Battlefield isn't just a place, it's a journey into history. Whether you're a history buff, a curious traveler, or just looking for a unique adventure, this travel guide will show you exactly how to visit Waterloo Battlefield and make the most of your trip. Let's dive in. Introduction to Waterloo Battlefield. The Battle of Waterloo, fought on June 18, 1815, was one of the most decisive battles in European history. It marked the end of Napoleon Bonaparte's reign and reshaped the continent's future. Today, the Waterloo Battlefield in Belgium is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, military strategy, or simply exploring iconic landmarks. How to get there? First things first, how do you get to Waterloo? The battlefield is located about 20 kilometers south of Brussels, Belgium's capital. You can easily reach it by car, train, or even a guided tour. If you're taking the train, hop on from Brussels Central Station, and in just 30 minutes, you'll arrive at Braine-l'Alleud Station, the closest stop to the battlefield. From there, it's a short taxi or bus ride to the site. Key attractions at Waterloo Battlefield. Once you're there, here are the must-see spots. The Lion's Mount, Butte du Lion. This iconic hill offers a panoramic view of the battlefield. Climb the 226 steps to the top, and you'll see why this was such a strategic location. The Waterloo Memorial Museum. Dive deep into the history of the battle with interactive exhibits, artifacts, and a 4D movie that brings the battle to life. Hougoumont Farm. This was a key defensive position for the Allied forces. Explore the restored farm and imagine the intense fighting that took place here. Napoleon's headquarters. Visit the farmhouse where Napoleon spent the night before the battle. It's a fascinating glimpse into the mind of the legendary general. Tips for visiting. Here are some tips to make your visit unforgettable. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so come prepared. Plan for the weather. The battlefield is mostly outdoors, so bring an umbrella or sunscreen depending on the season. Join a guided tour. To truly understand the significance of what happened here, consider hiring a guide or joining a group tour. Visit during reenactments. If you can, time your visit around the annual reenactment in June. It's an incredible experience to see thousands of actors recreating the battle. Nearby attractions. While you're in the area, don't miss out on exploring Brussels. From the stunning Grand Place to the quirky Atomium, there's plenty to see. And if you're a history lover, the Royal Military Museum is a short train ride away and well worth a visit. Visiting the Waterloo Battlefield is more than just a trip. It's a chance to connect with history and stand where legends once stood. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel guides like this one. See you on the next adventure.